It's a really good question.
What the
It's a really good question.
Okay, we got some chats here.
Okay, so we got here, and guys, I'm going to read 20 and up. Now, after these, I'm going to just read 20 and up. Salim, tell us about the professional fighter you tried pranking with the lotion.
Oh, bro, that was scary. Remember that, Jay?
No, we're
Will
shaking.
Smith.
What happened?
Will Smith.
Gosh, that was.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah,
I saw that one.
crazy.
We
No,
followed y'all
no,
back
so
in the
crazy.
restaurant.
No,
Will Smith?
That was very, very serious, bro. Like,
Wait, Will Smith?
the not actual Will Smith, but the guy that looked like Will Smith. We just made it a joke. But dude, like, we didn't put all of it in the video, but like, dude, he was like, yo, I could really fuck you up right now, man. Like, and he was very calm about it. It was like, I mean, he was very calm. I mean, like, he probably has anger issues, but like, he was very, very fucking calm. It was kind of crazy.
That's scary though.
And like, dude, every time like he would leave, he'd always come back. It's like he just couldn't fight it. Like, he was like, yo, this dude fucking put some shit in my hand. I gotta fuck him up. And he was like a Brazilian jiu-jitsu, like,
Imminent harm is on your way. What you did was unacceptable.
oh yeah, no.
One of those types of things.